Hello traders. Today I will show you how to put conditional order based on your predefined support and resistance level. So any mommy trade gives us in the morning this sheet that predefined support and resistance level, and today she gave us this list like Netflix. If it goes below 443.5, you can buy 440 put, or if it goes 450.5 you can buy 455 a call option. So I will show you. This is I have drawn support 443 and resistance 450.5. So with this conditional order I will put it before the market open. So when the market open, it will wait for our 5 minutes candle or 5 minutes candle to close below 443.5. So in this candle the close was below 443.5. So as soon as this candle get closed, 5 minutes candle, on opening of this candle it will execute our order. So I will show you. So I will choose 440 put. I will click on buy, and then I will first expand this screen, and then I'll go here, and after going here I will change it to market. What we are doing is buying 440 put. We can submit this order at 9:30. We can do it, or and at Netflix, and in the method we go to in study and the edit. Now what you do is from day you changes to 5 minute candle and remove this tick mark, okay, and then go to edit section, and here what you do is changes to your price. So because we want to wait for our 5 minutes candle to close below 440 443.5 443.5. Okay, so close less than or equal to, and now we'll choose the value 443.5 443.5. Okay, so and we have to choose one offset, because with this it will wait for the candle to form and the close is below 443.5. We can use equal to or the less than. So 443.5, and now we save it. Okay, now you can say okay, and you can read then 1 bar ago is less than or equal to 443.5. okay, and it is market order, and the save. Then confirm and send. So what will it do is, when this candle at 9:40, that candle close was 443.5, so opening of this candle our order will get executed doing this automatically, and then you can ride your profit as you wish.